In this video, you will learn about going to and how to use it in sentences. This topic is a part of tenses. Use going to when you talk about something you think will happen in the future. For example, it is going to rain. Or to talk about something you will do in the future. For example, I am going to buy a car. To form a sentence, use he is, add going to, and the action word to complete the sentence. For example, he is going to work. Or she is going to dance. Add more information to the sentence after the action word or verb. For example, she is going to dance on stage. To form a sentence to talk about yourself, use I am. Add going to and the action word to form a sentence. For example, I am going to eat. Add more information to the sentence after the action word. To form sentences to talk about another person or group of people, use you are, we are, or they are. Add going to and then the action word. For example, you are going to eat. Or we are going to drink. Or they are going to cook. Add more information after the verb. For example, you are going to eat lunch. We are going to drink orange juice. Or they are going to cook breakfast. Now you know how to form sentences using going to.